Exchange tokens can be a tough landscape to navigate in crypto. The third largest crypto by market cap, BNB, well, it's an exchange token. The iconic Staples Center became the Crypto.com arena. An exchange had a Super Bowl commercial in 2022, but then on the other hand, FTT holders got crushed later that year when the news broke about the FTX insolvency. I warned you guys about it. Many dedicated members of the Bit Squad, well, they got their funds off just in time from FTX, and that's probably got to be one of the most epic calls I've ever made in crypto. So many messages flooded in from everyday people who are grateful to get their funds off. But what if I told you there's only one exchange token you should be looking at for this bull run? Watch this video to the very end to find out what sets the Phemex token apart from every other exchange token. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you want to stay on the cutting edge of crypto so you don't get left behind when we enter the era of mass adoption, then make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. The reason to make Phemex your #1 exchange of choice is simple. Best-in-class trading rewards with the PT token, plus access to the best one-stop shop for trading social platform and Web3 in all of crypto. But before we get there, you should know what sets Phemex apart from other exchanges in terms of risk. This way, you can sleep easy at night knowing that you're not exposed to an insolvent exchange and that your funds are safe. It's called proof of reserve.
You will now see your verified asset balances of BTC, ETH, USDT, USDC, and USD in trading across your spot, contract, and investment accounts on Phemex at the time of snapshot. On the right, you can see the specific snapshot time and Merkle tree root hash. Verify that your funds are indeed on our platform through the Merkle tree. Simply scroll down and click Check. Now you'll see which Merkle leaf your funds are recorded in within the Merkle tree hash data. Feel free to view the full tree for more information. This shows that all your assets are safely kept in reserve on Phemex.
Here's a pro tip to learn how to literally print money for yourself and your family through the bull run, but also in 2026 when the bears take back control of the market. Phemex has the best tools to learn how to trade. With Phemex Testnet, you can simulate trading with zero risk on an ultra user-friendly platform that lets you learn by trial and error as you master trading strategies without putting any money on the line. Some people just aren't wired for trading and are better off working and investing. That's fine. But if you want to learn how to trade, this is an incredible place to start. Now, let's look at the benefits of holding PT. When you hold the Phemex token, you pay lower trading fees, and you can stake PT to get VIP level discounts on trading fees. If you're trading with high volume, fees can eat away at your profits quickly. When you stake PT, you also earn industry-leading APR as high as 18% at the time of this writing. At just over $1 billion market cap, PT has strong utility and miles of room to run compared to CRO and BNB. Here's where it gets good. The upside doesn't just come from the use case of rewards. It comes from the fact that Phemex is doing things that you can't get on any other platform. And it's going to experience massive growth in this bull run. There's nowhere else you can go with this level of reputability and security to get access to derivatives trading with an impressive number of coins listed, plus collateralized borrowing and lending, as well as Phemexia, a decentralized Web3 world.
Are you ready to explore uncharted territory in Web 3.0? Phemex is ushering in a new, decentralized world with vast possibilities. Introducing Phemexia, the Web3 colony bringing you a revolutionary blockchain experience.
Perhaps the most interesting part of the platform is Phemex Pulse. Check out this overview of Phemex Pulse. And yes, that's the BitBoy himself featured on the platform. I love that guy.
A new era is upon us. Pulse has taken the world by storm as the leading Web3 social media. Beyond current features like casting, tipping, inscription trading, and earning, it's now elevating to the next level, on-chain. An upgraded protocol app is on the way, built on an all-new Layer 2 blockchain. The Pulse on-chain ecosystem will feature fully decentralized data storage, an asset bridge, block production, and validators. Pulse group owners can organize communities to become blockchain validators and receive ample rewards for driving group participation and engagement. Enjoy a nifty combination of your wallet with your unique social ID through the Phemex Soul Pass, so you can manage assets, make payments, and collect airdrops all from your Pulse profile. Personalized identity, full decentralization, greater rewards. Meet the new era of Pulse directly on the blockchain.
At the end of 2021, everyone was anticipating decentralized social media is one of the next big moves in Web3, but it was too early. Webvan was too early, and it failed during the dot-com bubble. People weren't ready for Instacart yet. Now we call it all the time. Same thing with Pets.com. People weren't ready for Chewy yet. Amazon had to open the floodgates of online shopping before any of these ideas that were ahead of their time could really take off. Phemex's ongoing development as a sort of semi-centralized exchange is making some of the biggest strides in the industry to bridge the everyday user to Web3. It's time to level up your crypto game. As a life-changing bull run is kicking off, this is just one part, and we're going to be kicking off the BitBoyX Bootcamp to make sure the Bit Squad succeeds over the next year. If you're pumped for that, drop your comments down below, smash the like button, and subscribe for more. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.